Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Maggie, and welcome back to another Vlogmas. So I have a couple things going on today. I have some work things to do. I have some things to film, but I'm going to be doing my Princess Polly try-on haul for you guys. If you watched my last Vlogmas, I said that I wanted to show you guys what I got. So I'm going to do that today. And then I think for the rest of the day, me and my family are just going to be like decorating our tree, decorating our like living room and house just to get ready for the holidays, because we have our entire family come over to our house for Christmas. So yeah, it should be a fun day. I got a lot of really cute pieces in from Princess Polly that I'm super excited to show you guys. So let's just jump into it. Okay, I put my ring light on just to give you guys some better lighting because the sun is currently not hitting this side of the house where my room is, so it's a little bit dark in my room. Okay, so starting off with this gorgeous like little corset. This is from Princess Polly, but it's the brand Lioness. Look how stunning this is. So cute. I'm obsessed. I feel like you could do really cool layering with this corset. Corsets in general I feel like are really cool to like style and do cool layering with. So yeah, obsessed with this. And I'm wearing them with these Princess Polly black like trousers. I wouldn't necessarily pair these two together. I just have them on together to show you guys like what they look, but I wouldn't necessarily style these pieces with each other. Let me lower the camera so you guys can see the detail of the pants. Okay, so really cool detailing. I don't know if you can see like this like pattern that's on it. It's this really nice satin material. They're really long. Like I'm 5'9" and it goes down to my ankle. And there's a little slit at the bottom of the pants, which I think is a cute little touch. You can see how I styled these pieces in the Princess Polly try-on haul. Also, another thing, hence why this is a little hair tie in the back. The pants do run on the bigger size, so I would size down. Okay, next up we have this really sick leather jacket. And I don't have a leather jacket that's in this like chocolate brown color, so when I saw this I thought this was so freaking cool. And it's cropped, which I love. I sized up in this, so I went from, usually in jackets, like if I wanted a jacket to fit me I'll get like a medium, but I got this in a large just to be a little bit more oversized. If you are looking for like a nice chocolate brown leather jacket, this is the one for you. And I like the fact that it's cropped. A lot of my oversized leather jackets are a lot longer, but I feel like when it kind of crops at the waist, it like gives you a little bit more of a shape. So I think this is really cool. Okay, these next two dresses are absolutely stunning. So here is the first one. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you would have seen me post about this dress. I like, because when I was trying it on before to style it for a TikTok, I fell in love with the fit of it, so I put it on my stories. Guys, I mean, it is so freaking stunning. What I love is how I've never felt more like comfortable yet chic, classy, and sexy all at the same time while wearing a dress. The color is stunning. I really appreciate how they paid attention to all the detail, like the back detail, absolutely stunning. And then this whole section we got going on, so there's boning in the corset right here, as you can see, so it keeps it very structured and like cinches your waist to make you look snatched. It's unbelievable. And then what I love is the cowl neck detailing. So you know when you wear like a cowl neck top or dress and you like bend over, you know, you're not secure. This, you do not have that problem because this is the cowl neck detailing, but then it has the built-in tank top. Like it's the dress and then this is just like detailing that's been sewn onto it. I love that. That's so smart. I don't know why all cowl neck tops and dresses don't have this feature. When you bend over, like you're secure. Like now I'm secure, and that's amazing. So I'm gonna leave this linked down below. It's true to size. I got my normal size, US size 4. Like wearing this to a wedding or even like to a classy holiday party or New Year's Eve, stunning. Now let me show you the next dress. It's just as cute. Guys, how freaking cute. The color of the dress, perfect for the holidays. It's giving dinner and drinks with the girls Christmas edition. So the structure of the dress is very similar, besides the fabric and the length of the dress compared to the first dress I just had on. This is more of like a mesh stretchy material. That is definitely more of like a satin material, but it has the same cowl neck detailing with the built-in tank top, and then slight boning and slight structure here. Not as sturdy as the satin dress, but definitely still gives you that structured snatch fit, which we all know, love, and want nothing more. Super cute, super flattering on. Love the details that are in the back. Princess Polly really killed it with these two dresses, I must say. I'm gonna leave all of these pieces linked down below, and you can use my code MaggieM for, I think it's 15 or 20% off. I'll leave it somewhere on the screen. Seriously, you guys, like, these are really good. I highly recommend checking out some of these pieces that I just showed you. So yeah, so now I think I'm going to head downstairs and go on with the rest of my day. I think me and my siblings are going to decorate the tree. And then tonight, I know me and my family are either going to watch like a Christmas movie or, oh wait, The Bachelorette finale's on tonight, so we're gonna be watching that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little try on haul, and let's go decorate a Christmas tree. So I'm feeling a little hungry, so I'm gonna have some soup. I'm not even sure if I showed you guys on the vlog yet, but Jack gave me an early Christmas gift. And it's the platform like little slide on Uggs, and I literally love them. I've been wearing them nonstop. Okay, so I got some packages in, so I figured I would do a quick little unboxing. Can you see? Oh yeah, so I got some packages in, so I figured I would do a quick unboxing. This one is from Revolve. I just think this couldn't fit in like the bigger Revolve box. Ooh, it's this really cute, like feathery tube top. Love that. Next up, it's a package from Mugler. Oh wow, it's a book, like a little like coffee table book. Let's see. Whoa, that's so cool. That's really, really cool. This is from the brand called Use. They sent over these really cool pair of like contrast stitching jeans. Whoa, and this sick like tube top. I'm not sure if you can tell, but this is like a picture of the ocean and rocks all here. That's really cool. Okay, let's do this big box, and this huge box is from Revolve. Oh, I know what this one is. It is like a huge black, oh, you see that sparkle? Like sparkly jumpsuit. That'd be a very cute like New Year's Eve outfit. Sticking with that like sparkly theme, we have this really cute and very sparkly sequency holiday New Year's Eve-esque. It's like a wrap skirt, so it's supposed to tie like that. It's like a midi skirt, and it ties in a bow right on the side. Super cute. And the color is like a brown color, which I think is like different and cute, because I feel like for, at least for New Year's, it's either like silver, gold, or black. So I feel like brown is kind of something that's different. Next up, we have a huge, cozy shearling winter jacket from Lovers and Friends. That is gonna be so cozy. And last, we have these iconic boots. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen me put these boots on my story. I didn't know which color to do. There was like a black option and a brown option, and I did like a poll which one you guys thought I should pick or what was cuter. And here they are. It's from the brand Song of Style. And I didn't realize this until I actually went to choose the size of the shoes, that the brown didn't even have my size. So obviously had to go with the gorgeous and stunning black option, which, I mean, how cute are these? It's like that like latex kind of like shiny material. You have a little bit of a squared toe, a short little kitten heel. I'm obsessed. I think these are so cool, and when the brown comes back in stock, I will be buying them because like these are sick. Oh, and we have one more box, and this is from the Bolaire team. Oh my god, and they sent over like a happy holidays package. Oh my god, with so many goodies. Let me show you guys. Happy holidays from the team. They sent over some, ooh, that's a cute sweater. Some clothes, I think that's a jacket, and then they sent some skincare. I think that's like some moisturizer. Josie Maran whipped argan oil face butter. Ooh, excited to try that. Oh, this is the same brand as this one. Stress Check Mood Manager. Oh, that's interesting. Another Josie Maran whipped argan oil. I think this is like a body butter. Ooh, a candle, which I can actually smell from here. It smells delish. And then this is, oh my god, this is very difficult to do with one hand. I think this is like a body wash. Thank you, Belair. That is so freaking sweet. I cannot wait to try out all these and style these new clothes. Go ahead and break down these boxes and then put all of this stuff away.